Hello guys, welcome back. And this website, I share with you this website much more, and I make much more withdrawal from here. Right now I share with you another withdrawal. You can see this website have a free 100 gigahertz power. uh, you can claim free, and this website pay you free amount. I make much more withdrawal from this website, and just click sign in. If you're new in this website, just click sign up. Put your full name, username, different password, retype password. That password, you type it in define password. Type your email, retype your email. You have a secret question and you can answer that secret question. Okay, put your Bitcoin wallet address, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Tether, Touring, BNB, and BTC, BNB. You can put it in here, and you can withdraw your amount with this all payments. You put it in here. Okay, I have already account. I show you how you can uh, log in, and how you can start mining, and how you can withdraw. Okay, I log in my account. At the first, this is the earning. Okay, free earning. I didn't buy any one. This 100 gigahash, I didn't buy it. This much Bitcoin I withdraw from this website in just 20 days. And right now this much I have. Every 24 hours this will be updated automatically. Just I click withdraw. Okay, in here I have three type of withdrawal. One of the first one is a Bitcoin. I just click the Bitcoin, put my balance. If I click the request Bitcoin, didn't request it. Why? Because the minimum withdrawal amount for Bitcoin 20,000. Okay, the next way is a Litecoin. You just click a Litecoin, you can withdraw your Litecoin. Okay, just click request. You can see show you the Litecoin amount did you receive the Bitcoin for withdrawal. I just click confirm. Okay, that's it. This is in pending in the and you can see this is the website. Show me the withdrawal. Okay, this is the IP address. This is withdrawal from the website, and show me my email. And the next way is a Tether, but after I received the Litecoin, I will be shared with you the withdrawal proof of the Tether. This website pay you 100%. Just like I told you, I make much more withdrawal from here. In here you can see I have withdrawed this much amount. Now I go to Trust Wallet to show you I received the amount of withdrawal. You can see in the first time I withdraw this much amount. Okay, first time, and then the second time I received this much amount. That's it guys. I make it withdraw three times this website pay me to my wallet address, and that's it. 100% safe website. And the Litecoin, 2 times I make withdrawal from that website, and that website pay me instantly to my for Litecoin wallet address in my Trust wallet. Okay, and this website is 100% light website to pay me, and after I receive withdrawal, I'll share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Okay guys, you can see no pending amount right now, no pending in here. Litecoin pay me, no pending in here too, it's a 0. And I go to Trust Wallet to show you this website send me my Litecoin. You can see this website send me my Litecoin. This is the token. This website send me the data and the complete and the time. And thanks for watching guys. This website is 100% free way earning, and you can get your free amount from this website, and this website link available in description. You can get your amount free and free. That's a wonderful website. And you can just click a running miner. You can deposit in here. You can buy a miner, but I didn't recommend you because if this website pay you free, you get a free amount. If after that this website didn't pay you, no problem, you make much more amount from this website. Okay, and thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.